Hey, Kendall here with Employee Referrals. This is just a placeholder video I'm throwing in temporarily. Thank you for taking a moment to learn about recruiting here at Acme. As a manager, you usually have a few open jobs that you need to fill. The best way to fill those jobs is through employee referrals, which tend to get hired more quickly, stay longer, and perform better. Our employee referral program rewards employees who make referrals that result in hires. It's a critical part of our recruiting effort. After asking your employees to make some referrals, just send them here to this referral portal to log their referrals and get credit. When you hire someone who is referred, we'll send the referring employee a bonus in their paycheck 90 days after the new hire starts work. We wait 90 days just to make sure that the new employee is here to stay. Don't worry, we handle all the busy work associated with the referral. We keep track of who referred who and track the referral's progress throughout the application process. We keep the referring employee up to date on their friend status and pay out the reward at the appropriate time. Referrals start with our referral portal, a website where employees can search our open jobs, make referrals, and track the progress of the people they refer. To get there, just go to acme.employeereferrals.com on either a desktop computer or a mobile phone. You can find your open jobs by using the location filter. Then click on a job to learn more about it. From there, employees can either share a job with their followers on social media or refer a specific person. Referring a specific person is usually the way to go and is more likely to result in a hire. Clicking Make a Referral will open up the referral form. They enter their referral's contact info, write a brief endorsement, and answer a couple of questions about how qualified they are. At the bottom of the form, the employee can choose how to reach out to the person they're referring. After submitting their referral, employees will want to check back in from time to time to see how their friend's application is coming along. Have they submitted an application yet? Are they still interviewing? Employees can view the status of their previous referrals by returning to the portal's dashboard and clicking Referral Activity. There's an employee training video, helpful prompts, and a help button on every page. As you can see, it's pretty easy. That being said, we could use your help with the most important part of the referral process, spreading the word about the program to your employees, especially when you've got an open position that you need to fill. Spreading the word is easy. These are the basics you should cover with your employees. Employees earn cash rewards when they refer someone who you end up hiring. The rewards are distributed by corporate recruiting as a bonus in their paychecks 90 days after the new hire starts work. Our referral portal is located at acme.employeereferrals.com. Employees must log their referrals on the portal in order to be eligible for the reward. We get a lot of referrals, and we simply can't offer a reward for referrals that aren't tracked and organized in the way our team needs them to be. And then last, highlight any jobs you're currently hiring for. Many of our hiring managers either call a meeting to introduce the program to their employees or choose to discuss it at the end of another meeting where everyone is assembled. You'll find helpful resources like our employee training video and a one-page flyer in the resources section to the right of this video. Take a minute to ask your employees for referrals is the best thing you can do to attract top quality talent to your team. Thank you for taking time to learn about our referral program.